Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Minecraft. Uh, we're going to be playing Minecraft and we're going to start a new survival world. And yeah, so our world is going to be called Proper Sick World. Wait, what? Actually, let's just make a seed. That's my seed. So yeah, let's go into this world then. I have landed in this world. Let's go get some wood, I guess. Jesus Christ, I really need to turn up my sensitivity. Okay, so let's get back into this world. That's quite a nice thing, I guess. Anyway, so okay, so I'm just gonna go mine some wood and look for a nice place to build my house. Let's mine this wood and get ourselves a house. So I've got myself some wood and a crafting table. So you need to make some sticks. That's good enough. So what I like to do in my Minecraft world is I like to make a wooden pickaxe, yeah, and then get a bunch of stone with it, and then make a bunch of stone tools. Okay, where should we mine some stone? Let's dig down here. Oh, iron already. I'm gonna get there in a second once I've collected all this. Okay, so this is actually like a alright spot to stay for my first night, and then I could move out of it. So I'm probably just gonna stay here for the night. Okay, we've got stone pickaxe. Now I can mine all of this amazing iron. Thank you for being so kind to me, iron, not making me wait for so long to get some iron. Okay, just make some stuff. Okay, that will do for now. We must mine more. Right, so I've made this little cave here, and I've got a furnace, so it seems to be going pretty well for me. So I'll probably go out and get some wood and then probably put more stuff in it. So I haven't even been in this house for a day, and a zombie's already spawned inside of it. Get out of my house. There, it's dead. Okay, anyway, so I got some extra wood. I've been out hunting, as you can see. So I'm probably just gonna like, yeah, also, wait, let me quickly see where the sun is. Oh yeah, it's like over there, so it's almost nighttime, so it's getting a bit dark. So I'm probably just gonna like, I don't have a bed yet, so I'm probably just gonna be mining like for the rest of the night. So this is what I'm gonna be doing all night. Oh, already iron again. Also, I need torches. Actually, wait. Can't I like do that and that will make charcoal? Yes, it does. It's really dark now, but I made torches, so that's good. And I've already got like a ton of iron, so I think it's safe to say that this has been a good first day in my world. So I've got my first piece of armor. Got these leather boots here, which I like a lot. Well, not a lot because they only give me one armor, but it is armor, so it's better than nothing. So I've also just found coal, like right now. So I'm just gonna quickly mine this. Every time I get coal, there's like so much coal. Yeah, just look at this. Like every time you think this is like gonna be the last block, there's always like 10 more pieces of coal. So there's a lot. That's basically what I'm trying to say. So I've made a chest, and here's all the stuff that's in my chest, and I've started smelting my iron, and I've got 6 right now, and to be honest, I don't really know what to like make with my iron. I'm probably just gonna like make a pickaxe first, because if I find diamonds, then I can like get some. Um, so yeah, so that's all my iron smelted, and wait, let me just quickly see where the moon is. See how long we have. Oh, we don't have that long then, because it's gonna go around there, and then the sun will come up, and we'll all be happy because it will be morning. Okay, sounds about right. So I just made 2 pickaxes because they break very easily. Look, I've only had it for like a few minutes and it's already almost broken. Anyway, so yeah, I've also made this got 8 pieces of iron, and oh, this morning. Oh, there's a cave over there. I'm gonna go check that in a bit. I'm gonna take my pickaxes, or I've already have them. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly go over to this cave and see what is in there. I bet it's gonna be like nothing at all. Yeah, I bet that's what's gonna be in it. So I just came to this cave expecting there to be nothing, but look, it actually looks like quite a decent cave. There's lots of coal right here. I might get this. I accidentally dropped my pickaxe. Just let's mine a bunch of this. I got my sword out. Oh god, it's a skeleton. I'm gonna get this out. Oh god, it's shooting at me, it's seen me. Did they just hit the bat? I think it just hit the bat. I'm scared. I'm really scared. I'm gonna swap that for that. Oh, of course, there's this above me. Okay. Okay. Anyway, so, let's get a bunch of this. Oh, my thing's broke. Okay, let's get that out. Wait, there's an arrow in my arm. Oh, that must hurt a lot, Stevie boy. Anyway, let's go deeper into this cave and try and find out its mysteries, I guess. Hello. Ah! Sorry guys, that scared me a bit. Take this. I'm giving you a rating of 1 star. Help. I'm dying. Help. Build that, I guess. I'm gonna die. Ah, leave me alone. Oh, hello again. Where's your skeleton? Oh. How did it kill me? Well, I'm here. It's raining because I'm very depressed. I just died. Let's go try and get my stuff really quickly. Okay, where did I go? So it came over here, got that coal. Oh yeah, it came down here. Where did I go? I honestly can't remember. Oh yeah, maybe I think I went up here. Yeah. Oh yeah, I went down here. Oh yeah, down here again. Leave me alone. Oh, it literally had 1 hit left of it. So if I hit it one more time, it would have died. Hello. Okay. Yes. I thought I lost all my stuff. I really wish I bought some food. Okay, get some of this. Beep bap boop. That's done. Let's go mining again. Oh wait, oh yeah, I need my torches. I hope nothing comes up behind me and just starts attacking me. Okay, got 13 iron ore. Oh, for a second I thought that was a zombie there. Ah! Take that. Take this. I've got... Oh god. I'm scared. Help me. Anyway, so I've been playing for about like half an hour or like an hour or something like that. Or like, no, I've been playing for like 45 minutes right now. So I think I'm gonna leave that off there, and I will probably make a second part to this. So as always, like, subscribe, all that stuff, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.